Hello everyone! Today I will be going to discuss another topic which is about derivatives of trigonometric functions. What is derivatives of trigonometric functions? The basic trigonometric functions include the following 6 functions, such as sine x, cosine x, tangent x, cotangent x, secant, and lastly cosecant. All these functions are continuous and differentiable in their domains. So we have here the table or the list of all the derivatives for these functions. The table summarizes the derivatives of 6 basic trigonometric functions. First function is sine x, which has derivatives of cosine x and has a domain of x greater than negative infinity but less than infinity. Cosine x, which has negative sine x and has a domain of x less than positive infinity but greater than negative infinity. Next function will be tan x, which has a derivative of 1 over cosine squared x or secant squared x and has a domain of x which is not equal to pi over 2 plus pi n, where n is the all real numbers. Next is cotangent x, which has negative 1 over sine squared x or equal to negative cosecant squared x derivatives and has a domain of x not equal to pi over n, where n is all real numbers. Next function is the secant x, which has the derivatives of tangent x secant x and has a domain of x not equal to pi over 2 plus pi n, where n is all real numbers. Lastly is the cosecant x, which has negative cotangent x, the secant x derivative, and has a domain of x not equal to pi n, where n is all real numbers. And let's proceed to our example. Example number 1. Y is equal to cosine 2x minus 2 sine x. So using the linear properties of the derivatives, the chain rule and the double angle formula, we obtain yx is equal to cosine 2x minus 2 sine x is equal to cosine 2x minus 2 sine x negative sine x times 2x, which is the derivatives of cosine 2x minus 2 sine x is equal to negative 2 sine 2x minus 2 cosine x is equal to negative 4 sine x cosine x minus 2 cosine x. And our final answer would be negative 2 cosine x times 2 sine x plus 1. Example number 2. Y is equal to cosine 2 sine x. So our solution. Derivatives of yx is equal to cosine 2 times sine x. So using the linear properties of the derivatives, the chain rule and the double angle formula, we obtain this equation. So from our function, we derive 2 cosine sine x times cosine sine x is equal to 2 cosine sine x times negative sine sine x times sine x is equal to negative 2 cosine sine x times sine x times cosine x. So the last expression can be simplified by the double angle formula. So 2 cosine sine x times sine x, using the double angle formula, we obtain sine times cos 2 sine x. Consequently, the derivative is, our final answer would be y. Derivatives of yx is equal to negative sine times 2 sine x times cosine x. Example number 3. Y is equal to x sine x plus cosine x. So using the product rule, we can write, or we will obtain this equation. So from the function x sine x plus cosine x, we obtain this equation using our product rule. So it will become derivative of y is equal to x sine x plus cosine x is equal to x sine x plus cosine x, x sine x plus x times sine x plus cosine x, and then find the derivatives of x, which is 1, sine x plus x, the derivatives of sine x, which is cosine x, and the derivatives of cosine x is equal to negative sine x. Simplify the equation. It will become sine x plus x cosine x minus sine x, and our final answer will be x cosine x.